Alright, now we're into the second phase of getting things set up for your system. So what I want you guys to do now is just go over to Marketing, go to your Marketing tab, and we're going to come down to your Capture page. So hit Capture page. Now, there's two Capture pages that we're using in your web pages that are very important to make sure we get these done correctly. First thing I want you to do is scroll down to the bottom. You're going to go to Order Sold Now. Just to review real quickly, if I hit Preview, that's this sample order. Okay? So here's what we need to do on this.
Congratulations on taking the first step of looking at Rain International in our products.
Okay? So come down here where it says Capture Page Options. Okay, Capture Page Options. Click on here. First thing you're going to do is that you have Sample Folder. So these are going to be your sample prospects. So you hit the drop down. See, it says Sample Prospects. I have a folder made up for you guys. So every time somebody orders a sample, they'll be put into the sample. They'll be put into the sample folder. And then the email campaign is going to be the Rain Sample Series. So that will. So there's email campaigns that are going out there which will give them more information about Rain, and it's an autoresponder program they're going to go into. Now you're going to come down here and where external website. The external website you're going to put in is your sample page. Now my sample page is trysol.info. So it's trysol.info, and then the notification is using the default, so we're going to disable the notification. We don't need to notify them. So make sure on the notification options you're just going to disable this. It's not necessary. And then the other thing to take a look here is pre-recorded prompt. We don't necessarily need that, so just make sure this says no. So again, drop down Sample Prospect, Rain Sample Series, and then your sample page. Now, if you guys do not have, my sample page where you have a page where you're directing people to for a sample in order to get samples from you, then the only other choice you have here is to put in your Rain URL. So that'd be myrainlife / your team, your username. Okay. Once you get done with all these changes, hit Save Changes. Come back up here, and then you definitely want to come down here and you're going to want to make sure it works. So let's just click in here. Okay, quiet that down. So go ahead and fill out the form once you hit access, and as you can see here, this now is immediately going over to my sample page where I'm running a summer special right now for $15.88, and so on this page there's the video, here's the testimonials, and here's their chance to order product, and they can also order a 1 month supply, 1 box or 2 boxes from me on my page. That's it. Okay, now we're done with that. Now the other one you're going to need to do is capture page 6085, which should be kind of toward the top here. 6080, this is the Rain International intro. Now on this one, come back down here to the capture page. Now this is a prospect, so you're going to put these in your prospect folder. So come down here and put prospect, and then on the email campaign, this is the Rain Opportunity email. So this is a campaign which has Rain Opportunity letters to it. Again, the notification, we are going to disable this because it's not necessary. Now, you need to write this down. When they fill out this capture pages, they are going to be invited to a webinar, and the webinar is about the business. Okay, if you haven't had a chance to do this, you need to go look at it. So what you want to do is you want to put in this website. Now this is a generic website for the webinar, but if they fill out your capture pages, then it's important you get back to people and make sure you tell them because they can enroll in RAIN after the webinar is over with. Now they can't enroll unless they have your ID number. So you need to make sure you call people and give them your ID number. But it's generic in form. So it's webinarb.trisol.net. So again, webinar B for business .trisol.net. Now you can stop the video right now if you need to keep this in front of you and type this in and put it in there. Once you have all this done, again, no down here, hit save your changes, and it is now done. So let's go ahead and test it out. Come down here. RAIN intro. Let's make sure it's working. Now remember, this is the business orientated. So here's the animated, and here is fill it out. I'll show you where this goes. This goes right over to the webinar. Again, another video here which explains the business, why this is an important business to be in, and then people can register for a webinar, and these happen every day. So like today is Wednesday, so there's webinars happening today, there's webinars Thursday and Friday, so every day this takes place. And so on Wednesday, let's just say they want to go to the webinar today. Today's Wednesday, July 2nd. Here's the times that are available. I have a 7 p.m. and a 9 p.m. webinar. They can go in here. You go ahead and fill their name out, and they put in their email address, and now they are registered for the webinar, and they'll be notified to attend that webinar. And here's the beauty of this program. If they go to this webinar and they watch it all the way through, they're going to be ready to come into the business. And so far, most of the people that have made it through this level and gone to this webinar usually come in with 3 business centers. So this is a very, very powerful program all the way through. All right. So when that is done, let's just go back, and now your system is ready to go. I will have further trainings on these other capture pages. This is for later training, but at this point you're now ready to upload your leads, and you're ready to start doing your broadcast. So on the next video, it's going to be how to get the leads into your system, and then once the leads into your system, the system is completely automated. So all right, so go to the next training, and that is how to put leads into your system. Bye now.